Hello, now I'm drawing a mechanical example of power drawing. Now here we have using AutoCAD. Now here we have the diagram of two dimensions, 70 by 50, 70 horizontal and 50 vertical. This section drawings are available in the top side. How to draw this one by one is bottom onwards we will start. For that we will go to AutoCAD first. Now we can create the AutoCAD first. Okay. Now we can create the new drawing. That we have to enter the file name, that is I enter my file name as my pin number. Pin number. Okay, now we can draw the new diagram in new drawing page. Here this is the new drawing page we can draw. That is we have already seen how it is the line, but horizontally it is 70. Horizontally it is 70. Then select the line command. It is vertically 50, but in the middle if you see it is 12. That is 50 minus 12. It is 38. 38 is divided into two parts. That is 19. 19 each. Then select the line command. It is 19. Done. Then select the line command to the, then check the dimension. It is 70 minus 48. It is 11. 11 is on each side. That is 22. 11. Okay. 11. Then select the line command. It is already seen. That is 12. Then select the line command. It is 11 to the left. Okay. Then select the line command to complete the diagram. It is 19 to the then select draw line command. It is draw command. Select line command. It is 19 to the top. Then select line command. It is horizontally 70. Done. To complete the diagram, see, select line command. From there it is 19. Select line command. From there it is to the left. It is 11. From there it is to the down. It is 12. Then complete the diagram using it is 11. Okay. It is to complete the diagram. It is 19. We have drawn the outline of the part drawing. That is in middle we have step, that is 22. For that we have to draw the midline. Select line command to the midline. It is 50. Done. In the same way, to the line we can use the offset command. That is select the line and search for the offset command. To the right it is 11. Done. In the same way use the offset command. To the left it is 11. Okay, this is the diagram we have to draw. That is completed. Then with the reference, in the same way with the draw a reference line. Using this reference line, draw the horizontal line to the 70. Then delete the reference line. We can now check the dimension. That is 24 height, but it is divided into 12 parts, and it is 70 minus 22 is 48. 48 is divided into two parts, that is 24 and 24. Complete the diagram in this way. Draw line command. It is vertically 12. Done. Then select the line command. It is horizontally 24. In the same way select the line command. It is vertically it is vertically 12. In the same way select line command. It is horizontally 22. The same is select line command, it is downward 12, done. Same is select line command, it is horizontally 24. Then now we can complete the diagram from one end to other end. This is the diagram I have drawn using AutoCAD and using AutoCAD commands like align and offset. Thank you.